How to calculate wind pressure on offshore platform using hand sketches. Offshore platforms are continuously exposed to wind. Correct wind pressure calculation is essential for safe member design. First, determine the design wind speed from the applicable code, adjusted for offshore terrain and platform elevation. Wind pressure is calculated using Q equals half rho V squared, where rho is air density and V is wind speed. For topside members, apply a shape or drag coefficient, depending on whether the member is tubular, angle, or built up. Use the projected area normal to wind direction, not the actual surface area. The wind force on the truss is pressure multiplied by shape coefficient and area. Simple hand sketches make wind load calculations clear, fast, and effective. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to receive more engineering and technical content like this.